Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are not in Stockholm anymore. I'm on holiday for a week, guys, and I got this cute little Ducati Scrambler here. Gran Canaria is famous for having some of the best roads for motorcycles in Europe and maybe the whole world. So I'm gonna go up into those mountains behind me, we're gonna explore, we're gonna ride some twisty roads and see what this place is about. So guys, come with me and let's ride.
I hope the weather is going to be good, because today we are going on an adventure. Yes! Beautiful. Rainbow. Ocean. What more can you wish for, right? There are so many roads on this island, and now it's raining. Riding into the rainbow on Christmas. So now we are in San Bartolomé de Tirahana. It smells like pizza. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Yeah, let's try a bit of braking. There's the ABS. That's really more grip than you think. Woo! Twin Peaks. Orthanc and Baradur. More goat warnings. I want to see some mountain goats. I don't see any goats. Welcome to the top of Gran Canaria, aka Sweden, in October. Not a single other bike other than me. Hello, my friends. So nice to see you. Heat level rising. Finally, the road is dry. There's one highway that literally goes across the whole of the island. Good job, little bike. Hello, caddy. This footage has been sped up. Okay guys, we are going this way, down that road, and it looks dry, so we should be good to go. Look at my beautiful Scrambler. The sand dunes of Maspalomas down there, and the shining ocean in the distance. Man, the sight of freedom. Oh, welcome to Cactus Forest. I think those two guys were police, maybe? We are here. We came from Maspalomas. Oh, this cornering. It's a fish steak. Nice little man cave. Those guys were cycling up this hill. Crazy that people live here, on the cliff side. I mean, it just takes my breath away. Maybe I can park here. I think that's where we're going. 30. Gotcha, sir. I mean, we're not gonna need the engine here. Oh, oranges. I want one. This is the real stuff. Prohibido. Mogan. That's what the city is called. What an amazing day.
I used to come here with my dad when I was a kid. It was just me and him, and things were different from when we were home. I remember this one time when I was playing on the beach in the sand, just digging the sand around his feet. And he was just looking out across the ocean.
So now I have just 2 days left. Tomorrow is my last day here in Gran Canaria. Tomorrow I'm gonna go on one last ride through the mountains before I return my bike in Las Palmas. I spotted a gas station. Let's get some Spanish gas. Buenos dias. Number 4, please. I know we Swedish people go on about sunlight and how important it is. It's so nice to just get going without knowing where you're going. When I used to come here when I was a kid, when I came here with my dad, of course I didn't have a bike. We didn't even have a car. So we didn't really get around much. We just stayed in the one area, you know. But it's totally different when you have a motorcycle and you can get around and explore by yourself. So Hard Rock Cafe, Gran Canaria. Merry Christmas. Hey, we found some bikes. Oh my god, why are there chickens here? Kawasaki looks super good. I think that's new, 2025. This is a 600RR, my favorite. I wonder where they live. Sounds good, man. Ride safe, brother. This is like a different country from the southern side. Motorcycle paradise. Atenara, baby, here we come. The Great Wall of Moria. Woo! Imagine living down there. Road surface. Nice little village here. Cliffside Village. It's just insane how well kept these roads are. Rock house. Beautiful corners. Okay, to the right. Thanks, man. That's so nice of you.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this Gran Canaria travel diary. I had a really great time here on the island and I'll probably come back sometime and explore a bit more. Guys, if you liked the video, remember to hit like and maybe subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next ride. Peace.
Stick to the ones that are a little bit thicker.